Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. We're attending in online. Check it, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Respond for me, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Right. Good morning. Good morning to all. Yeah. And in the last class, just given the brief introduction part for Java programming language. Then what are the various parts are available in Java? What are the various? What is the purpose of each and every part that we understood at basic level? We understood, right? So can you come for this? Can you tell me in Java overall what are the various parts that existed in Java? Guys, now tell me no. What are the various parts are available in Java? Please all of you respond for my questions. Just we have questions box where we can type the answers. Yes, guys, all of you know, elaborate that panel, go to webinar panel. There we have questions box. There we can type the answers. What are the various parts inside the Java? Can you tell me? All right, only I took one demo class on Friday. Only demo class, nothing I discussed there. Just so I'm giving that the revision over the content. But tell me, what are the various parts in Java? Guys, all of you there? Are you there? Are you listening? What I'm asking now? No response, guys. Right? Just one time, please respond for me. From where we are attending this session, from which places you are attending session. All of you type your place name. Guys, yes, I'm asking to you. I'm not asking any technical question. From where you are attending these sessions, can you please type your place name? All right, Toronto and Minneapolis and Jain, Delhi, Hyderabad. All of you guys, all of you, I'm asking to you know. From Kolhapur, from Nellore. Right, good morning, sir. Bangalore. Yeah, good. Kalyani. New Delhi. Yeah, good. Yeah, thank you, Kalyani. Come on, guys, all of you. Then only just few of the members only are providing this. Columbus. That's good. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Durga. Good morning. Guys, all of you, please type your place name. Just I want to check it from where you're attending these sessions. Yeah, thank you, Kalyani. Yeah. Right, yes, that's fine. Now respond for my questions. Whatever the questions I'm asking there, just insert the same questions box. Question box. Now please respond for me whenever I'm asking questions. Now tell me here. Now see this. Now, how many parts are available in Java? Please all of you type it. How many parts are available in Java? Please type that. At least number I'm asking to you know. Right. Exactly. Right. Right, guys. Three parts are available in Java. That's good. Next one is, what are the three parts now? What are the three parts? Can you tell me, guys? All of you know. What are the three parts? What are three parts? Now tell me. Come on. Type it. Java SE, J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Good. That's good. Most of the people are responding. J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Right. That's fine. Most of the people are responding. That's okay. Good. Can you elaborate what is J2SE? What is J2SE? Can you please type fast? What is J2SE? What is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. That's fine. Then what it able to cover? What it able to cover? If I come for this now, it will cover only fundamentals of Java programming. Fundamentals of Java programming. That's it. Our J2SE is nothing but core Java. Then today, whatever the content we are discussing, that is core Java, J2SE, Java to Standard Edition. It will cover only fundamentals of the programming language. Just Java fundamentals only here we are able to cover. By using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare a type of application that is called as which one? Standalone application. One type of application here we are able to prepare by using this. The type of application is like which one? Standalone application. What is this standalone application? If you prepare any application, if you prepare and execute any application without using, if you prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application. That's okay, guys. Next one is then after that. Any example for it? Calculator. Not only calculator, any individual tool in our computer is also be a standalone application. Good. Then what is the direct utilization of the standalone application? That means what is the ratio of the applications or standalone applications in outside? No, only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Remaining 95% of the applications are not standalone applications. Means that only 5% is a direct utilization of the J2SE, that means core Java, 95% is not available. But its dependency level is 1000%. Its dependency level is like which one? 1000%. It is dependent on the, it is dependent technology for like which one? Selenium, Salesforce, and Hadoop, and SAP, and so on, and so on, and so on. All the technologies that depends on like which one? This core Java. And moreover, if you want to prepare enterprise applications by using J2EE, we need J2SE. If you want to learn J2EE technologies, definitely we should complete like which one? J2SE. So these are the various points we understood about like which one? J2SE. Guys, finally I'm asking one question to you. Now try to answer for it. You have to remember this point also. Core Java will cover. Core Java will cover which part of the programming? Core Java will cover which part of the programming? Is it only basics or fundamentals of the Java programming or the complete Java programming? Come on, guys, you have to answer for it. Core Java is able to cover only fundamentals of the Java or complete Java. Only fundamentals of the Java or complete Java. Come on, guys, I'm asking this question to you. You have to respond for it. Just only it will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming. It will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming. It will not go for the complete Java. It will not prepare the complete Java. Only fundamentals of the Java it able to cover. That's one, guys. Now let's come for this next one. What about this J2EE? Right, sir, we understood the J2EE. Now try to understand it now. J2EE up to this Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's fine. J2EE will cover server-side programming. J2EE will cover server-side programming. Good. By using server-side programming, all of you guys observe this clearly. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare distributed applications. Then other name is like which one? Enterprise applications. By using J2EE, we are able to prepare distributed applications or enterprise applications. Good. What about the next one now? If you prepare and execute, if you prepare and execute any Java application or any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as like which one? Distributed application or enterprise application. Right, so if you prepare and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as distributed application or enterprise application. Examples, sir. What are the various examples? Number of examples are available. All internet applications are distributed applications. All banking applications are distributed applications. All online business or e-commerce applications are distributed applications. And so on. Number of applications are available. In outside, they are distributed applications. Then how many applications are distributed applications in outside, guys? How many applications are distributed applications, guys, in outside now? Yes, if you come for this particular point, answer is very clear. We can understand this. 95% of the applications are distributed applications only. 95% of the applications are like which one? Distributed applications only. All of you guys observe this clearly. What I'm telling you now. 95% of the applications are like which one? Distributed applications only. Right. Fine. Let I give you some of the examples now. Then Java meant for enterprise edition. Java meant for like which one? Enterprise edition. Remember this. But last one is available, but it is not having any demand, but it's one of the part inside our Java. So what about this J2ME now? J2ME stands for Java 2 Micro Edition. J2ME stands for like which one? Java 2 Micro Edition. Then it will cover micro programming. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. If we prepare and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is called as mobile based application. So number of applications are available in outside nowadays now. My Vodafone, my idea, this kind of might be like telecommunication wise, telecommunication department might be number of applications are available like this. Not only that, nowadays in every area we are able to have mobile applications now. Right, sir. Good. Then and mobile application development has very good demand in outside, but J2ME is not having much demand now. Right, sir. J2ME is not in use. The how we are preparing mobile applications. Yes, Durga, I'm telling you clearly, number of alternatives are available for preparing mobile-based applications. It is not like only J2ME. Number of alternatives are available. As per your thought, initially when we prepare when Java was introduced to the market, when J2ME was introduced to the market, very good demand is available for J2ME. Very good demand is available for J2ME. Just if you know at least abbreviation for J2ME, we have some jobs in outside. But later on, what happened? Number of alternatives are available. What are these alternatives now? Just we can think of it. That alternative would be like which one? We can think of which it may be Android or it may be iOS or it may be Apple iOS like this number. Script may be number of mobile based technologies are coming. Whenever these many mobile based technologies are coming, automatically demand for this J2ME was reduced. Automatically demand for J2ME was reduced. Now then automatically demand is available for Android, especially Android. When Android is coming to the picture, the J2ME was down totally. So because of these alternatives only, that mobile-based application development is going on in outside. Right, so now these are the various content can be discussed clearly in outside, guys. Then after that, then I given some our plan about this, like which one here, then batch, how I'm going to take these batches and all these points here. I discussed it clearly. Okay, guys. Now yesterday I had number of questions. Even after the class, also I got some messages related to this question. Then what people are asking there. Sir, can you give some guidelines to us how we are going to prepare and what technologies we have to select and how we are going to prepare? Can you give the brief overview of all this content? Then people are asking to me. Then they're asking about some kind of like what I'm telling here, orientation. They're asked to know. Just few minutes of time, because I want to give much clarity on this particular point. Right, guys. Now let's observe this one chart. No simple chart I want to provide. By that we are able to get clarity. Then how technologies are available, then which technology we have to select, then how to do, how to select and all, then what we have to do, up to how much we have to learn if we want to get job in outside and all. Guys, before that I'm asking to you, now all of you now tell me, what is the requirement to learn Java today? Then why we are coming for demo class? What's the requirement to learn Java today? Is that the part of your job trials or not? Is a part of your job process or not? Yes, can you tell me, guys, what is your requirement? Or do you have any personal interest to learn Java? Or you want to go for job? Just can you please type your requirement? No, what we want to, why we are listening this Java today? Why we are learning this Java? Why you committed to come for this Java technology, Java programming language? Yes, any other one? Right, job search, job purpose. People are giving these answers. Come on, guys, all of you know, please type it. Just what I'm asking there, then why we are learning Java? That's my simple question. Just if it is job, just please type the job. Just if it is a job purpose, just please try to type in job. Try to type job. If you are having any other requirement, or try to type that other requirement also. Only job. Only job. Albert, from where you are attending this session? Are you from India or from outside of India? From where you are attending this session, Albert? Toronto. That's good. Fine. Job. Good. Good, guys. Then all members, all people are saying that job only. That's fine. That's very good. IT. Yeah, exactly. IT. Yeah, that's fine. See, anyway, then I'm giving clarity for all of you. Now, try to recognize this. What we have to select and what we are having here. So I want to divide this IT into. Yes, sir. That's fine. Good. Yes, I want to divide this total IT into two parts. What are the two parts here? As per our understanding point of view, I'm going to divide this total IT into two parts. One is like which one? First one is development side. First one is development side, and second one is like which one? Non-development side. Development and non-development. Right. So now, if you have to this non-development side, then what exactly the things are going to be available? Just we can after this clearly. Maybe testing side is not come under development part. Next one is like what? Next one, no, server administration, server admin side. Next one is like what I'm telling here, network administrator, network admin. Like this number of some different roles are available. They are come under like which one? Non-development. That's okay, good. But if we come for this development side, here I'm able to give some areas. If we come for this development side, I'm able to give some areas. Now try to understand this clearly. As for the market trends, I'm telling to you now. So if we take this, if we come for this development side, majorly, I'm able to identify three areas. What are the three areas? No, first one is like which one? Java. Java is one area. And the next one is, apart from this, here we're able to have like which one? Python. Python is in another area. Python, this is another area. Right, sir. Then after this Python, then another thing is like which one here? After this, you can understand it. UI part, UI development. UI, user interface. This is also another area. Yes, might be then yesterday, then might be then during these 2 days of time, then I got number of mails regarding this particular view. Can you elaborate what are the various technologies which are trending in outside and what is the purpose of each and every technology? That people are asking to me. That's why I'm giving this total parts. Java, Python, and UI, guys. Now these are having very good demand nowadays in outside and development side. Now let's come for this Java. If you want to go for this Java, what we have to learn? What exactly the courses are available and what their situation and which courses we have to learn. And all these things here I'm going to be listed. So anyway, then the very first one is like which one? Core Java. It's mandatory. Core Java is required. Next one is advanced Java. Next one is frameworks will go there. Hibernate. Next one is like which one? Spring framework. And after this Spring framework, next one is like which one here? Web services. Then, if you want to keep some experience in our resume, definitely we require like which one? Real-time tools. Real-time tools we require. Then after that, design patterns like this. Design patterns like this. Now, these many technologies here we require. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Web Services, real-time tools, design patterns, and so on. If anything, if any one or two are available, just I'll list out it later on. Right, this is Java. If you want to go for this Java, then these many things here we have to learn. This is one point, guys. Next one is then after that, Python. If you observe this Python now, for Python here we are having two approaches. What are the two approaches now? Again, two divisions are available for Python. What are the two divisions here? Now let's understand this clearly. So first one is like enterprise application development. Enterprise application development. This is one thing, and another thing is like which one? Data analysis. Data analysis side. Now, if you want to go for this enterprise application development side, what we require, just I'm able to give some content here. Core Python we require. Next one is advanced Python we require. Next one is one framework Django or either Django or Flask, but Django is the first priority. Then after that, REST API. REST API, Core Python, Advanced Python, Django, or Flask, REST API. This is another one. This is what we require. Next one, if we come for this data analysis side, in this data analysis side, number of technologies are available. Here, what we have to learn now, what we have to learn from this particular site, data analysis site, if you have to this, now I'm able to give clarity for you. Then first one is like which one? Core Python. Here we are able to understand. Next one is advanced Python. Here we are able to see. Next one is NumPy. Libraries we have to understand NumPy. Next one is like which one here? Pandas. Then after this NumPy, Pandas. Then after this, all these are like which one? Libraries. Statistics is also another library that we required. Then after that, machine learning. Next one is like which one? Deep learning. Next one is natural language processing, NLP. Then after that, like this and few more. Neural networks. Then after this, and AI, artificial intelligence. Like these many technologies here we have to learn. If you want to go for like which one? Data analysis side. Right, yes. Now, this is like which one? Data analysis side, what we are having. Good. So next one is then what I'm telling to you that another one after completion of this, the next one is like what I'm telling to you. Again, up to this, the last one is like UI technologies nowadays. UI technologies, right? So now, if you come for this UI technologies, UI side, UI technology side, what are the various things that exist? You know, right? So which technologies here we have to learn at UI technology side. Understand, guys? What I'm telling you now here, we have to understand like which one. First one is HTML. We have to learn HTML is basic now. CSS. Next one is a bootstrap. Then after that, JavaScript. Then after this, JavaScript, jQuery. Then after this, jQuery DOM we require. Then after that, then Ajax. Then after that, what next one here? Angular. Angular. Then apart from this Angular, next one is like which one? Node.js. And then after this, Node.js. Now React.js. Then of course, framework is available with Node.js. Express.js is available. That's a framework actually. That will also here we have to know. And nowadays might be Vue.js. People are talking much about this Vue.js also nowadays. Now, this many technologies here we are having here. Good, so now development side, if you go there, and moreover, apart from this, database related technologies are available, like Oracle, individual databases. Next one is like which one? Hadoop. Next one inside is then apart from this Hadoop, Spark and Scala, they're available. I'm not touching. I'm not giving any information about them. They're completely different track now. So in the development side here, we have to go for like this. Now these are the various technologies which are available clearly. Okay, guys. Now I'll give clarity. Now try to understand it. What we required for freshers, what we required for experienced people also. So I'll give some clarity. Try to understand first of all. If I take this, if I come for all of you guys, observe this clearly. If I come for this particular part, if I take this, if I come for this particular part, what about my situation? Java set, if you understand it, if you come there, then how many days it will take? Then what about this Java opportunities level? All these things we have to understand. Now let's understand it clearly. If you want to go for this total content, it's all about nearly 7 to 8 months of time it will take total content. This is complete Java, then total Java. Then 7 to 8 months of time it will take in general to learn this, but its opportunities level. Its opportunities level is like which one here? 70%, on around 70% of opportunity level is available. That means jobs. 70% of jobs are available on the basis of this Java. That means what I'm telling you, majorly this is for enterprise application development. It is like which one? Enterprise application development. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you now. So this is for enterprise application development, and 7 to 8 months of time it will take to complete this total part. But 70% of the job guarantee, 70% of the jobs are going on outside with this particular one. All of you understand this clearly. So this is a situation, but a bit long durations, but definitely more opportunity level is available. If you go for any city in India, maybe not only in India, in outside of India also, no, everywhere the leading technology to provide more number of job opportunities is still Java. Is still Java. Please remember this. Right, sir. Good. Then after that, so let's come for this Python. Come for this Python. Two parts are available: enterprise application development, and other thing is like which one? Data analysis side. Two parts are existed here. Now let's observe this clearly. What about these two parts now? First one is like what I'm telling to you, enterprise application development. If we come for this one, Yes, it's available Python, enterprise application development. Just what I'm giving to you, core Python, advanced Python, Django, REST API. It will take nearly and 3 to 4 months of time. That's okay, good. But job opportunities level is on around 40% only. Why? Because enterprise application development, at enterprise application development, I'm telling you 30 to 40%, 30 to 40% of jobs in outside now. So in enterprise application development, still Java is very good. Java is a king in enterprise application development, but Python is not much in the case of this enterprise application development. My point is what I'm telling you know. So 30 to 40% of drives are going on this like which one can Python. So course is very small and 3 to 4 months of time it will take. Then 30 to 40% of the jobs are available in outside as per the calculation. But no, Python is not mainly for this enterprise application development. Python main concentration is not on this one. But where Python main concentration is going on actually, where Python main concentration here, we are able to provide this. Right. If you come for this particular point, I'm able to give answer for you. Python is mainly for data analysis side, data processing side. Python is mainly for which one? Data analysis side, data processing side. This is main area of this Python, not enterprise application development. Okay, what about its a situation? It will take nearly 1 year of time to complete this total courses. Yeah, nearly 1 year of time. But what I'm telling to you, this data analysis side is completely different track. It is not related with the Java track. It's not related. It's not at all related with the Java track. It's completely related to a different track. So here 100% placements are available. Its track is totally different. Its track is totally different. Data science is a part here. As part of this data science, we have to understand it's totally different track. And moreover, this is like which one can know upcoming. This is upcoming part here. Upcoming part. Now nowadays it was not established 100% in outside, but some big companies are using still data analysis side. That means data science, no. But its area is blooming. Its area is increasing now. Just now, that era was started and its area is increasing now. Day by day, it's increasing. But it's totally different. It is not at all replacement for which one? Java. Java track is different, data science track is different. Java is mainly for enterprise application development, but this data analysis, that means data science is like which one can know, completely different one. Here it will take nearly 1 year of time it will take to complete these courses now. But at the same time, its opportunity level is like which one 100%. We are able to get number of drives on the base of this in data analysis side. That means it is not at all replacement for like which one Java. It's totally for the sake of like which one data processing side. Understand this? What I'm telling you. Next one is that similarly, apart from all these things, another location which is available, another location which is available. So this also be an important area for us, right? It's also be going on. That area is also be going on. Right? What about this one? That would be like which one? UI technologies. UI technologies. Definitely, in UI technologies also be going on there. Then it may take nearly 5 to 6 months of time to complete all these courses. 5 to 6 months of time. All these courses it will take no, but its opportunity level is like what I'm telling to you. It's a parallel to Java. Parallel to Java in the sense Java developer may be worked at server side application development max, but front end development is not good at Java. But front end development, if you want to go there, definitely here we are able to have like which one UI technologies. UI technologies we require definitely no. So definitely for Java developers also UI technologies are required. So this Java is mainly for backend implementation part. But for this backend implementation part, if you want to get that front end implementation, no, then definitely here we have to go for like which one front end implementation right now. Then what about the job opportunities level? Here also I'm saying like which one 100%. Its stack is also 100%. Why? Because for Java developers, the UI part is required. And for what I'm telling you know, for Python also be UI part is required. For C programming developers also be UI part is required. For C++ also be developers also be might be UI part is required. For everybody, UI part is minimum. If you want to go for enterprise application development, either it is Python or it is like which one can know the Java, whatever it may be, but UI technologies part is totally like which one can know is common for everybody. So definitely UI part is required. Right, guys. Now all of you understand this clearly. What I'm telling you now. Right, sir. That's fine. Good. And now, then what exactly the point here I'm telling you? Now try to recognize this. Right, and guys, just wait a minute of time. Yes, Bhavani, are you there? Bhavani, are you there? Right. Right, guys. Now all of you recognize this. Then what I'm telling you know. So these are the various technologies, and these are the like various parts are available in outside this. Now this is like what I'm telling to you. The courses now. That means what are the various technologies are available and their durations and their opportunities level here. I'm giving clarity now. But how courses are provided at Durgasoft? How courses are provided at Durgasoft already in the last session I given somewhat clarity on it. Just we can up to this clearly. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, guys, now I provided some courses here. Already I given some explanation regarding these courses information. 1 minute, guys. Just wait a minute of time, then I'll share this one to you. Right, right. Then, right, Shivani. Then what you are asking here? Yeah, freshers, students, ID job. Just wait. I'll discuss about it. Guys, now one thing I'm telling to all of you guys. One thing I'm telling to you is, and Shivani, can you please type once again? All the courses are available in Durgasoft. Yes, exactly. All these courses are available in Durgasoft. Definitely. Yeah, guys, all of you up to this clearly. What I am telling to you, one thing we have to remember now. Nowadays, as per the market situation, guys. Nowadays, as per the market situation, I'm telling to all of you, no difference between fresher and experienced person. No differentiation. Definitely, in the point of companies at present, as per the requirements and outside. If you understand it, what I'm telling you. So here I'm giving much clarity to you. What I'm giving much clarity for a fresher or for experienced person, whatever whoever it may be. But if you want to see your career at Java side, then we should know minimum. We should know like which one here, core Java we have to learn. Next one is like which one, advanced Java we have to learn. Third one is like which one, Hibernate we have to learn. And the fourth one is like which one here, at least a Spring. Web services we can make it is optional. If time is possible, then we can go for it. Time is not possible, just we can go for it. And fifth one is like which one? Web services, we can make it is optional. But if time is available, then better. My suggestion is also better to learn for it. Web services, it is optional. But along with these courses, core Java and advanced Java, Hibernate and C, then this is mainly I'm telling here Java developers. If you want to become as a Java developer, what we require no Java developer. If you want to understand it, if you want to get Java side, no, you should know minimum. We should know minimum. Right, sir. Good. Right. Web services, we can make it is optional, but if you are interested, we can go for it. Otherwise, it's not required. Now, this is another one. Next one is apart from this, database awareness is required, guys. Oracle database awareness is required. One database awareness is required, definitely. Right. This is one thing. Next one is then apart from this database awareness, that another thing is like which one? Oracle database is required. Then basic UI technologies are mandatory. Basic UI technologies. What are these basic UI technologies? Just we can understand it now. HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Then apart from this, and at least JavaScript. After this, maybe DOM or maybe like jQuery and all, a little bit, but not Angular and all, not required here. So just we can up to this clearly. Now these technologies mainly we require. And if you want to put some experience in our resume, definitely we require like which one, some real-time tools. Awareness on real-time tools also be required. But as part of this course, I'm going to be covered. As part of this course, in a sense, later I will talk about my package and everything. No, then real-time tools, at least like which one here, Maven, widely used tool now. Now next one is like which one, Log4j, like this, and might be some bit something else like this here. We have to learn at least now, so that we have to understand. This is like which one, real-time tools. This is another one. So then, if you want to put some experience, these many things here we required, and design patterns also be we required. But depending on the time here, we can plan for it. Understand, guys? What I'm telling you know. So this is like which one you know, the Java developers minimum. If you want to go for any company for drive for any recruitment drive in outside there, minimum for Java developer, we must require all this content. I said, nowadays there is no difference between like which one and a normal fresher and like which one get experienced person. Both are everybody, both are same. Please recognize this what I'm telling you. Good sir. Now because of this reason only, I'm conducting this total all these courses as like which one can know Java package, complete Java package. I'm trying to conduct these classes with a particular package, Java complete package now. So where we are going to be included core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, and the Spring up to boot. Inside the Spring also be up to boot. We are going to be covered up to boot, Spring boot. Spring boot is also be covered here inside this one. Then web services, just we made it as an optional, sir. Even myself also, I'm not putting 100% guarantee. I'm not giving that, but depending on the time, definitely I'll include that if the time is possible, and depending on your interest also. Right, sir. Good. Then definitely I will take that, but depending on time, I will make it is. But no, Oracle database and UI technologies and real-time tools have in it. Then what I'm telling to you, Log4j. These two tools I'm going to be covered as part of this Java package, definitely. But 70% I'm committing to go for these web services also, but still it is optional only. Just recognize this. Still it is optional, but depending on the time, definitely I'm able to include that. But maybe I'm not giving assurance for this web service as of now. But in the future, maybe I will check the possibility of this time. Time is main time constant is going on here mainly for this. So I need to take these sessions. All of these sessions here I'm going to be take. All of these sessions I'm going to be take. I'm going to be take now, guys. All of you have to this clear. So, but now to complete all these sessions, it will take nearly around 6 months of time. No doubt for this. To complete all these things around 6 months of time, here we are going to take 6 to 7 months of time. Here we are going to take to complete all this content. Definitely no. Good guys. Now, so this is one package. This is like which one Java package here we are providing. Now try to recognize this. Next one is after completion of this Java package. No. Next one is like which one basic Java package we are conducting is basic Java package we are conducting. So inside this basic Java package, what we are discussing, what we are going to discuss there. First one is like which one here, core Java, and second one is like which one, advanced Java. Then third one is like which one here, Oracle database, and the fourth one is like which one, basic UI technologies, basic only. Basic UI technologies in the sense same. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and all this content here we are conducting. This is another package, right? So understand it clearly now. Can I extend my basic Java package to advanced package later? Basic to advanced package, I think so. Then basic Java package to like Java package. Yes, Ashutosh, no problem. Just I'll provide such opportunity for you. Then we will, no problem. Okay. Just we can request our admin people. Our admin people will do that. Anyway, then we can contact with Bhavani. Bhavani, she will take care about all these things. What are the things here we're having now? This is like which one basic Java package, guys. Then apart from that, individual courses. Anyway, then I'm planning for it. Today, just we are taking these demo classes not only for these packages, no. Individual courses also here we are able to take, no. And today, just we are starting like individual course, like which one here? Core Java, just we started now today. That means, and today class is for individual course people, basic Java people, and Java complete Java people. Right, guys. Now, this is what exactly the point I'm telling you. Definitely, placement assistance we are going to provide. Even for Durgasoft also, a number of companies are coming for nearly 50 companies are available in my hand at Durgasoft now. But only they are thinking about like which one, this lockdown and all these things. Once this lockdown is completed, once this COVID, that hangover is completed, then companies will come to Durgasoft, and here we are providing some job opportunities also. But at the same time, I'm telling it's not like job guarantee program, but we will give some guidelines for you how to prepare for interviews and all. Right, sir. Good. Definitely, we will do that. Aditya ji, definitely we can expect it from us. Yes, Megu Patel. Then 1 minute, wait. What you are saying there? Course fee, just guys, and course related details, just you can talk with Bhavani. Bhavani is a person for it. Online students will get assistance for placement. Definitely. Rakibul Islam, definitely he'll get it, no? Right. This number we can go there and right, sir. Now, so these two numbers, then we can mail to this mail ID and we can contact with this particular number, and she will be in contact with you. Then regarding any fee related things and anything, if you require that, Yes, she will. We can contact with her and she will provide this. Yes, course duration. And one more thing, as I'm telling to you, for only core Java, if you want to take it now, around 3 months of time it will take us. Core Java, only core Java, around 3 months of time it will take now. One more thing I'm telling there. And if you want to attend for only core Java, if you want to attend for it, then we have to attend the classes. Anyway, guys, one more thing I'm telling to you regarding these classes. No, listen carefully. Already given this structure in the last class, but once again I want to give clarity there. And moreover, guys, and one more point I'm telling to you, forgot to specify this. Projects, our main strength is like which one, for each and every course we are planning to provide one project. For core Java, a small project we are going to prepare. That means for our practice purpose. It's not for the sake of keeping in our resume. Just what you learn to have some picture, application kind of picture, we'll go for some separate project. Hibernate plus what we are going to provide there, a project. Next one is a Spring plus a project. We are going to be provided here. Almost all, we are able to have hands-on experience on 4 projects when we complete this Java package. Here also be, for this basic Java package also be, here we are going to be provide like which one? Project, Advanced Java plus project. Now we are able to provide like which one? Advanced Java plus project, Core Java plus project here we are able to get. And basic Java 2 projects here we are able to get. And for individual course like which one? Core Java plus project here we are able to provide. So these projects we are going to be provided, and videos, courses videos for 1 year of time we are able to provide access. Nearly 1 year of time we are able to provide access. Even after completion of these courses also, 1 year of time we are able to provide some access. But 1 year of time is an official boundary, but might be that more than that also we are able to provide access for you for each and every video. Each and every class video will be provided to you guys. The note to think about this one. Each and every class video we are able to provide. And up to the latest versions here we are able to cover up to Java 14, right from first version of Java to up to Java version 14 version we are able to cover. Up to Java 14 version we are able to cover. No need to think much about it. Up to the latest version. Maybe this September I'm thinking about it. Java 15 version will come. And definitely if it is come, then definitely I'll discuss about the Java 15 version also in our classes. Understand guys what I'm telling you now. And Mego Patel, just one time talk with the Bhavani with this number and this mail ID, then she will give the fee related information and everything. Yes. Yes, I don't want you to talk about this money related thing inside the class. No, just we can talk with the admin people, and she is responsible person for all my classes. No, for all of you know, just we can talk with her, and she will give more clarity about this fees related thing. No, right. Now this is the content, guys. Then what I'm telling to you. Then apart from this, yeah, course duration. Just I said to you, all these course durations. If it is core Java, only 3 months of time. Then if it is like which one get basic package, exactly I'm telling you. Yeah, if it is like which one Java developer, that is complete Java package. If we take no 6 months of time, it will take a basic package. If you want to take no, it will take around nearly and 4 months of time. Here we are going to conduct 4 months of time. We are able to take no. Maybe it is a Java developers package, complete Java package 6 months of time, basic Java package 4 months of time. Individual course it will take like which one 3 months of time. And moreover, if we are taking this total Java package now, your timing should be and 7 to and 7 a.m. to and 9 a.m. 2 hours of time we are going to take. If we take this Java developers part, then 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. is one slot, and another slot also we are going to be conduct now 8 a.m. to then what next one here 9 a.m. Right now the same schedule we are going to be followed for even for basic Java developers also. Right, so 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And for this individual course, if you want to take no, then just only introduction classes one I'm going to take at 8 a.m. Later, 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I've taken for only introduction classes only. Only just we are conducting introduction classes only. But our main course is going to be provided at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. guys. Main course is going on at total main course is going on at 7 to 8 only, but introduction classes are going on at 8 to 9. Maybe after a few days of time, just I will take your sessions at 7 to 8 a.m. Please remember this one also. Introduction classes in the sense like which one, you know, what is the duration of this introduction classes? Maybe max 1 week. Yes, max 1 week of time. 1 week of time your classes are going on at 8 to 9, but later on, remaining course is going on at 7 to 8 a.m. Main course, the total right from first application development onwards. Somewhat initial little bit theory concepts I'm going to take up to 1 week of time, and that class are going on at 8 to 9 a.m. But all remaining, the entire course is going on remaining time at what time? 7 to 8. Right, sir. Right, guys? Then all of you are getting clarity on these courses, what we are conducting actually. No need to get any confusion, guys. Right. The main core Java main concepts will start after 1 week of time. That means, and they're also required. Then today's class and today onwards, I'm going to talk about our content actually. Right, John. Definitely. Then tomorrow onwards, we are going to start like which one? As per the syllabus, we are going to be start. One more thing, guys. Then after completion of this class, I think some of you are already getting mail with our course content. Have you seen that course syllabus and the course content already? The last Friday, when you attended this first demo class, on the same day we submitted one mail. I think so. All of you are getting that mail. Am I right? Am I right? With the course content, you received a mail. Yes, guys. Then where we can check it. Even once again today, after this class, we are submitting one mail to you where we are going to provide all the courses syllabus. Whatever the courses here are listed now, all the courses syllabus I will provide. There we can check it. What we are going to be discussed there. Right. Understand it? What I'm telling you guys. Right. Is it clear to all of you guys? Is it clear to all of you now? Right. Now, yeah, exactly. Then today, just I want to start this core Java content. Inside this core Java content, introduction part, we want to start with. In now introduction part, what are the various topics are available? Now let me explain that. What are the various content is available inside this introduction part? So the very first one is like which one? Java history. I will discuss with you. What exactly the background story for Java? Why Java programming language was provided by Sun Microsystems? That points here we are going to understand. Java history we are going to see first as a first one. After this Java history, I'll go for how Java is different from other programming languages. How can you differentiate Java from other programming languages? Differences between Java and others that we are going to understand. Differences between Java and others. This is another one. Java history, one thing. Next one is differences between Java and others that we are understanding. Then after that, Java features, next content. In a simple 5 minutes of time, what is Java? If you want to know, in a 5 minutes of time, what is Java? If you want to know, then we have to go for like which one? Java features. This is the first one. Then after that, after completion of these Java features, the next content would be like which one here? After this, Java naming conventions. Java naming convention. The Java naming conventions in a sense like which one? Java is a case sensitive programming language where we have to use lowercase letters and where we have to use uppercase letters, and what exactly these rules and regulations, all these things we are going to be understand under the Java naming conventions. So Java is a case sensitive where to use lowercase and where to use uppercase letters. What are the various suggestions about predefined library and about user defined library? These things are going to be understand here. Then after that, that fifth one is like what I'm telling to you, right? Java programming format. Java programming format. What exactly the structure of the Java program that we are going to understand inside this introduction part. This is the topic number one in our core content, in our core Java. If I complete this core Java content like the first one, second one is like which one here? Steps to prepare first Java application that I will start. So from this onwards, programming will start here. Second one, third one, and so on and so on and so on. Up to 30 plus topics are available in core Java. Up to Java 14 version, we are going to discuss there. But from this point onwards, the programming part will start now. So up to these are like which one, little bit theoretical concepts only. But more and more important topics I will discuss under this introduction part now. So I said you clearly, introduction classes 8 to 9 I'm going to take no. Just only these topics I'm going to take. Only these introduction classes only I'm going to take. All of you observe this clearly at 8 to 9. So 7 to 8, after 1 week onwards, I'm going to plan for like which one? Steps to prepare first Java application. This content I will discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Good. Definitely. Then Sumit, then after understanding, one more thing guys, I'm telling to you, after completion of my course, I'm telling to you clearly, you can keep a happily 3 to 4 years of experience in your resume. How much knowledge is required for 3 to 4 years of experienced person? Up to that knowledge we are going to provide in our classes. So definitely you are able to keep 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. And in the companies, maybe written tests that companies will conduct. They'll create the written tests. Interviews they may conduct. All interviews you may clear. And system tests also they are going to be conduct. Definitely, If we practice our examples effectively, definitely we are able to clear that system tests also in the companies. I'm sure about it. Because logical programming also we are going to be implemented in our classes. Then how to think, how to prepare program, that's the main content. Then in that way we are going to improve your knowledge. Definitely no. At the end of the course, you can do all these things. No need to worry for that. Just simply I'm telling to you, I will increase your confidence level much more. I'll increase your confidence level much more. What interviewer is asking, more than that, you are going to give answers. Definitely, I'm sure about it. So in that way, we are planning for this total course, guys. What I'm telling you now, right? Good, guys. Then anything else about this, this related content, guys, about this one? But anyway, then today I want to take the Java history class. But anyway, time is almost all gone. Then at least tomorrow onwards, I will plan for it. And guys, one more thing I'm telling to all of you, please wait 1 minute of time. There is a small issue with our webinar actually. So we are going to conduct these classes tomorrow onwards with a new webinar link. New webinar link I'm providing to all of you guys. New webinar link I'm going to be provided to you. There is a small issue with the webinar. It's going to be expired today only. Tomorrow onwards, the current webinar will not be worked out. Now, in the questions box I submitted, to all of you guys. Please check it. All of you are getting that link, new link information. All of you are getting that new link in the questions box I provided. Now, please try to check it. All of you are getting that link, new link information, new link. Yeah, tomorrow onwards, try to join with that new link, guys. Anyway, after this class, Bhavani will send mail to you with this new link. Just we can take that new link, and tomorrow onwards we can attend for the session on that new link, not in this regular link. Tomorrow onwards we can attend for the session on the new link, not with this regular link, guys. Yes, I'm giving information to you. Try to attend for it. This is one thing. Then apart from this, and try to come for the class. Then max tomorrow onwards, I want to start your session by max 5 to 5 a.m. I want to start it. Why? Because 7 to 8 I have session already. Then 8 to 5 or maybe 8 to 10. Between that, I will start your session. Definitely 1 hour session minimum. I'm going to take at startup mode. Later on, we'll go for as per the package what we are going to take. As per that, the class are going in effectively. Right, sir. That's fine. And yeah, right, up to demo classes, up to Durga sir, up to demo classes, whatever the link I'm giving, that link will be worked out. Maybe once the demo class are completed, after a few classes, I'll give that permanent link to you. But at present, normal link only we are using, but after a few days, I will give that permanent link to you. Then in that permanent link, we can attend for these sessions anyway. And moreover, then demo classes one link, and like private classes, we are going to provide other link that we are going to provide anyway. Not to think much about it. Right, sir. Now, if you have any queries, guys, just we can raise now. Then I can give answers for it. Just in the next 10 minutes of time, I'll be available for you. Just we can raise the questions now. If you have any questions, just we can raise it. Otherwise, we'll meet on tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll continue the actual syllabus. Today itself, I have to start it, but because of your requirement, I discussed about like which one get the career and all technologies and all this content. I discussed it here. As per your request only, but actually, I have to start our content today. Yeah. 10 minutes of time, guys. Just I'm assigning 10 minutes of time to you. You can raise your issues now. Yeah, after every class, we will share videos and classroom notes also. Whatever the notes I'm typing inside the classes, no. After every class, we are able to share that one, definitely. And one more thing, guys, just I'm going to prepare a separate Google Classroom coach. Google Classroom that I'm going to be prepared now. Now try to recognize this. I'll prepare a separate channel. I will show you how to open the channel also. Classroom notes I will share, and you are able to get soft copy material, and every class video you are able to get through Google Classroom. That is through Google Drive. Guys, all of you observe this now. I'm going to prepare a new classroom. First of all, let me create that one. Then after that, I'll share that link to you how to open this one. Right, sir. Core Java @8 a.m. Alright, guys. Java and subject is also Java. Like which one? Core Java from 307. Alright, guys. Just wait a minute, okay? Excuse me. I've gone through your pre-recorded videos on Spring and Hibernate, but I could not find cache in Hibernate, exception handling in Hibernate in Spring. Exception handling in Spring is there, but cache mechanisms I will upload. And not to worry for that, and very soon you are able to get it. And Hibernate batch is going on. I think so in the videos might be that cache mechanisms are missing. No, then Hibernate class, I'll prepare that and I will upload once again these videos. Not to worry for that. Yeah. Guys, all of you please take this classroom coach. All of you please note this classroom coach. Guys, all of you please note this classroom coach. Then Kalyani, I will give that information to you through the mail. Guys, first of all, take all of you please take this classroom code. Later on I will show to you how to open this. Right. If you have taken that, just try to type it done on the questions box. Then type done if you complete it. Right. All right, guys. It seems all of you might be taking it. All of you might be taking this classroom code. Then now let me upload this one. Now this is like which one? Box on. Then today is the 10th, right? 10th, 8th, right? That's fine. All right, let me provide all of them. I want to upload all of them. D drive, Java 8. But just only two things are existed there so far, not more. These two things here I'm uploading. Just introduction class only. Just I want to give the procedure for it. Now I uploaded this content. Guys, all of you now tell me how we are going to do this now. Just first of all, open your Gmail, guys. Open your Gmail, guys. All of you know, open your Gmail. Like this, we can open it. We open the Gmail. Now here at right side, we are getting Google Apps. Right side top corner, Google Apps we are getting. If we click on this Google Apps and scroll down, there we are getting Classroom. Scroll down, there we are getting Classroom. Click on this Classroom. If we click on this Classroom, here what we have to do now. So classes are open here. Now here Core Java 8 AM. Like this here we are getting it now. Click on it. You will get the Core Java 8 AM. Click on it. Then what we have to do. 1 minute, yes, not like this. Wait a minute of time. Whenever we are getting this one, all of you guys observe this, you will get that empty panel, not this one directly. Empty panel we are able to get. Whenever we are getting empty panel, just please click on this plus symbol. Click on plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol here, we are getting join class option. If you click on plus symbol, here we are getting join class option. If you click on this join class option, here it is asking about class coach. Here it is asking about like which one class coach. Right, if you enter this class code, automatically it will be open. It will be open. If you click on this join class option, then automatically we are able to get the join. Then we are able to get into like which one, some other. Automatically we are able to join with the class now. As all of you understand it, what I'm telling you. Right, sir. All of you understand it, what I'm telling you now. First of all, here what we have to do, then open your Gmail. Then where scroll down, open your Gmail. Then go for it like Google Apps. Here we are getting Classroom. Click on this Classroom. Then inside this Classroom, what we have to do, when we click on this Classroom, click on plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, join class option is available. When we click on the join a class option, here enter this class code. Automatically will come to like which one, our respective course. Whatever the course here we provided, and we are able to get it clearly. So now here Core Java, you are able to open this Core Java. There we are able to get it. Yes, right. Then whenever we are getting this one, now if you want to download these resources, what we have to do, right click on that icon, right click on our attachment, open a new tab. When we open a new tab, there we are getting download option. When we open a new tab, there we are getting download option. When we open this download, click on this download option, then automatically it will be downloaded. If you click on it, and it will be downloaded automatically. Yes, downloading is going on, guys. Now to this clear. This is a way here we are able to get it. Then people are asking about classroom code. Now try to copy this, guys. Already given time for it to load this, to copy this. Yeah. Kishore Kumar, I have taken this class code. All the members have taken it. Still, those are not taking this class code, guys. Now, please try to take this class code. Then, whatever the resources I want to share with you regarding this class now, insert this class at present in the class, and whatever the content I am going to be prepared, All this content I will share with you through this particular channel. So this is a channel for you. Then temporarily I prepared the channel. Later on I will give permanent channel. There we are able to understand it clearly, guys. All right. All right, sir. That's okay. Fine. Good. Tell me, guys. Anything else apart from this? Then if you have any issues, then I can raise it now. Then I'll clarify that. And tomorrow onwards, we'll start our actual syllabus. And regarding this fee related thing and the registration related thing, anything, just we can contact with the Bhavani through this number and or else mail to this particular ID. That means Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Our team will contact with you regarding all remaining process. Okay, fine. Do we need to create WhatsApp group? Not mandatory. Then I have number of channels to reach for you, to reach with you, and definitely I'm able to use that. Daily videos also we are sharing not on this link, and our admin people will send a separate Google Drive access link to you. Through that we are able to share all videos. Amit, you'll get all videos. Not to worry for that. Yeah. Aditya, we'll check the possibility. We'll check the possibility, then we'll go for it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Albert. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you. Okay, guys, yes, I'm going to wind up this session today. Then tomorrow we'll see that actual starting point we are going to understand tomorrow onwards. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And those who are not having any issues, just we can leave it. Thank you, Kalyan. Thank you, Kalyani Pradhan. Thanks a lot. Sumit, thank you. Yeah. Harsha, thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes, Durga, thank you. Okay, guys, just I'm going to shut down this webinar and I'll meet on tomorrow exactly at 8 o'clock. And how much time required for good Java developer? Nothing, sir. And Shashank Shekhar, depends on your practice. How much you are doing that, how much practice you are doing, then definitely on the basis of that only you are able to take it. But anyway, the technology we should be strong. Then up to web services, that means up to Spring Framework, at least we have to learn. Yeah, then depending on your practice also, it's available. Definitely, then very soon. Uh, at the end of this course, you should be very strong in programming part. You can do your own applications also effectively. Yeah, sure. Thank you. All right, thank you guys, and we'll meet on tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll see that very first topic in core Java. We'll start for it. Yeah, time to time, Bhavani will be in contact with you, and she will follow. She will follow all of your schedules and everything. And if you have any concern, if you have any problems with the schedule, if you have any doubts on it, just feel free and contact with her, and she will give more clarity on it. In this UI and Android required. In this UI is Android is required. Amit, I'm not getting it. UI technologies we will cover up to like which one you know. If you go for this packages, no Java package. If you go for this Java package, there we are going to take like which one UI technologies up to like which one HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, DOM. Up to this part we'll take. Good step. But Android is not covered inside this. But Android, if you want to attend separate course, might be at Durga sir, some other courses are going in for Android. There we can identify this. But apart from this, normal. There's up to normal HTML. That means normal UI, basic UI part will be covered. Amit. Yeah, that's fine. Right, sir. Anything else, guys? Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, that's fine for today. Tell me on tomorrow. So I'm going to shut down it. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.